All right, what's up, everybody? Got a little bit different project, bit of a custom project. So we've got this new Camry. The customer found what is a Subaru STI wing, or a Subaru WRX wing. I don't know which one it is, but it's basically the wing mounts here, comes up, and then has, you know, the top across. This is going to stay. It should mount in front of this. And we are going to be painting the sides of the spoiler, basically the pedestal, in the body color silver, and then doing the bill or the deck of the spoiler in the black metallic of the roof. So definitely something different. I'm going to get this taken out and put together and get it installed before I paint it. And I'll show you guys when it's basically installed, and then I'll show you to you when it's painted and finished. Peace. All right, so what's up, guys? Little update on the Camry project. I want to get you guys like step by step on how we're doing this. So we got the wing put together. Looks pretty sick, right? I think it's going to look pretty cool, actually. Something definitely different that you don't see every day. But what I've done is I've actually put in the bolts on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this thing centered and then do a tape outline on where it's going to go. Then I'm going to put a little bit of paint on the head of the bolts. Gently carefully put that down on the tape, and that's going to mark where our drill holes are going to go into the trunk. Again, I'm going to get this thing installed first, basically dry fit it, before I paint it. I'm going to paint it later on today. Again, this is going black like the roof, and then these sides here, which come apart, are going the same body color. So I think it's going to look pretty sick. Definitely something different. I'll show it to you guys when I get it installed. Peace. All right, cool. So got the spoiler basically dry fitted, so installed. Looks pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is actually take it back off and get it ready for paint. Again, this is going silver body color, and black. Also, when I take these bolts out, when I go to put the final bolts in, what we're going to do is we're going to prep those holes with what's called like dum-dum, and basically that is what they put around your windshield when they install a windshield. It's kind of like a Play-Doh consistency, but it never hardens like Play-Doh, so it doesn't dry out. Basically what that'll do is that'll protect it from the holes leaking, from the elements. So take care of that as well. Otherwise, I will show you guys when this thing is painted. Peace. All right, what's up, everybody? So final product on the Camry Subaru STI wing install. So we got it all installed, got the trunk all put together. Again, we did the body color on the pedestals here, and then this is actually a black metallic, which matches the roof. So I think it looks pretty cool. Let me step back a little bit. I think it looks pretty sick. Like I said, it's definitely something different. I think it fits the body of the car. There's a lot of aerodynamics already on this car. I think it's pretty sweet. So if you guys need anything like this, any aftermarket parts painted, or OEM parts, you don't have to do something custom like this. If you guys need regular bumpers or anything like that painted, or you get into an accident, we do all that. And again, if you like, subscribe, all that good stuff on social media, I appreciate it. I don't pay for advertising, so that's how I get my business. Thanks. Peace.